Hello YouTube viewers, today on the bench is a Taito Chase HQ PCB. This one is powering up and running. Just switch it on. It passes the test, sound CPU is passing the test, however, we coin it up, there is no sound. I've just replaced this bad capacitor here, that's a brand new one, but we've probably got a fault around this area, so I've just switched the scope on, ready to start probing around the analog section. I'm looking at this custom ADC pack, and pins 19 and 9 are both static high. Looking at the schematics, they're labelled CK1 and 2, which kind of indicates clock 1 and 2. So they should be pulsing. I've checked on the scope as well, it's exactly the same, it's just a steady, I think it's about a 5-volt line. So potentially there's a clock missing. There's nothing coming out of the outputs of this at all. Looking again on the scope, it's like ground basically. So again, maybe that's down to the clock being missing, so I need to check on a different sheet on the schematic because it's not on this one. One thing I noticed with this PCB is that it will intermittently report a sound CPU stop error during boot up, meaning that the CPU was not responding at the time that it tried to carry out the test. This indicates it's probably going to be something like the RAM or the ROM. I'm not sure what other logic's on there without looking at the schematics, but yeah, I'm going to look at the RAM and ROM first before anything else. I've replaced the 8K RAM here near to the Z80 Sound CPU, and game just booted up then. It didn't give any sound CPU errors. And we'll coin it up, and we've got sound straight away. Japanese. It's got the Japanese speech ROMs here, so I'm just going to replace those with some English ones. I've fitted the masked ROMs from a English board, and we'll see if that works. Ooh. That doesn't work at all. That sounds awful. So I've read the mask ROMs in using my EEPROM programmer and found one of them is messed up. It's reporting bad contact on a lot of the pins, meaning it's probably got internal shorts or internal failure. I think I've got some more Chase HQ scrap boards somewhere in the loft, so I'll see if I find those and see if any of them's got English mask ROMs on.